Hello students, welcome to another session of Narayana Live classes. Today I am going to discuss 7th class assessment indicators for biographical sketch. What is biographical sketch? This is from unit 2A. What is biographical sketch? The complete information will be given in the form of a table for us that we will write in the form of a passage, and we will collect the information. If you have any extra information about that person, generally biographical sketches will be given about the eminent persons in the society, that is social reformers, they may be freedom fighters, or they may belongs to the cine field, or they may belongs to anything. So here they had given about Jagdish Chandra Bose for us. Okay, so the famous personality, that is, and we have to write the total information. They have given in the form of hints. Actually, it should be given in the form of tabular form, so no problem. But we have to collect the information, whatever given it is in the question paper. So we have to write the complete information. And one more thing, students, you have to remember that if you know any extra information about that person, you have to write you have to include that. Apart from this information which is given in the question paper. So how to start the biographical sketch? I'll just give the information for you. Suppose if you are writing about this Jagdish Chandra Bose, not only this person, if you have to write any other personality like Rabindranath Tagore, okay, Mother Teresa, and Satyajit Ray also they may give, and S.P. Balasubramaniam. So they may give any personality. So whenever you are writing the biographical sketch of the personality or that eminent person, you should have some knowledge about that person. First, we have to give the introduction of that. This is the biographical sketch of so and so person. He is very famous in our country or in the world. Okay, like this we have to add some extra information, and also we have to add who the person. He is famous for so and so. Film industry or social reformer or anything. He may be a politician, well-known politicians also they may give. So that's why here we can add some extra information for that. Is it clear, ma? So now here, what are the assessment indicators for this biographical sketch? I'll discuss. Is it clear? So presenting relevant information or details of the person. So according to given biographical sketch or according to given that biodata or that information, whatever we call it, according to that, the relevant information, means related to that person, related to that given person, we have to write the information, details of the person. So much clearly we have to write up that details, every detail point, means whatever it is given in the question, we have to add some extra information to that, and we have to write the details. Next, quoting anecdotes, reflections, thoughts and feelings. So anecdotes means here one after the other point, connections. Okay, one after the other, connecting to the point, and reflecting the thoughts and feelings. So you are writing your own feelings about that person. So how you are feeling about that person? What are your ideas? Okay. Next, maintain logical sequence of ideas and chronological sequence of ideas. So the logical sequence of ideas means here logically based on that which topic it is given, so that we have to write, and chronological sequence of ideas also means here we have to write the ideas very, very clearly. Whatever you are writing, that clarity should be there in your writing. Is it clear, ma? Next one, grammatically tense formation we should write. Tense formation. Suppose this biographical sketch should be written in a simple past only. So that's why here we have to write the simple past tense, and aspect related to that. Agreement. Agreement is nothing but subject verb agreement. Always this is a rule. Subject plus verb plus object. So that is called subject verb agreement. Okay. Next, PNG, person, number and gender. All these things we have to keep in our mind. So about that person, in first person or second person you are writing, always we have to write this biographical sketch in the third person singular only, because he, she, it we will write. Isn't it? So now Jagdish Chandra Bose, we are writing about that great personality. So that's why we have to write he, third person singular. He, that Jagdish Chandra Bose is well known for his so and so works. He is an Indian. He was an Indian. He was born on. Okay. Always remember, students, born is always treated as the past tense. Whenever we write burn, we have to write was only. Okay, so in that way we have to remember all the things, and we have to write these connectivities. Okay, next, coherence, use of connectivities and pronouns. So usage of pronouns and connecting words, and yet, so, but, these are all connecting words and pronouns. He, she, it. Okay, so these are all the things in the coherence. In sequence, we have to write about this persons very clearly. Next, conventions of writing, that capital letters, full stops, commas, wherever we use this full stops and everything, that all the things we have to write in these conventions of writing. Okay, whenever we start a statement, we have to use the capital letter, and after full stop also again we have to use the capital letter. So commas in the middle, so that all the things here we have to use in this biographical sketch. Okay, biographical sketch should be written very, very clearly by adding some extra information. Okay, ma. So we will meet once again in another session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.